Hello guys, so today it's a new vlog, and today's vlog guys, we have a new product from Fujifilm. Yes guys, we have the Fujifilm X100 VI or X106 or VI or 6. Yan. And again guys, this box is a very special box, not because it's X100 VI, because it's a limited edition X100 VI. I don't know what's limited edition of this, but I don't have any idea. I didn't see the camera, so this is the first time, and let's check this camera, the Fujifilm X100 VI limited edition. So without further ado, but again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So let's start unbox now. So this is the box again for the Fujifilm X100 VI. Yeah. So on the top, there's a logo. I don't know what is this logo. I didn't research about the camera, but so I love to see the camera in its without any idea. So I owned before the X100V, X100F. Yeah. So let's see this camera, guys. And open. When you open, and again, guys, I don't know. It is Fuji. Yeah, it's a logo Fuji with a mount Fuji from Japan. So let's open. When you open, this is the box. Ayan. So this is one box inside. I don't know what's. It's like an empty box. And wow, this is a mount. Oh, what is this? Again, you have here a 90th. What 90th? Oh, you have two cards here. X100 generations. So I have two already generation, but now I don't have. 90th over 100, Fujifilm, Fujifilm, yeah, different types of logo of Fujifilm, yeah. And wow, the camera. This is the Fujifilm X100V limited edition. Wow, Fuji X100V limited edition, because you can see at the box, at the cap, from the lens, it's a limited, yeah. Fujifilm limited edition. Okay, so let's check the accessories inside the box. Okay, we have the battery. The battery is, what is the battery? The battery is FW126. Yeah, still the 126. Yes, this is the 126 FW. Yeah. It's same battery with the X series before. XT2, XT3, I think it's same. We have the battery. The charger cable. Oh, this is a strap. Yes, it's a very nice strap. A black strap. Let's look with the Fuji, I think. Is it in Fujifilm? No. But there is some sort of Fujifilm X100 here. So, but I like the strap. Strap is amazing. It's black. So you have the strap, box, USB to USB-C, yeah, and yeah, that's it. That's what inside the box of this. But I like this strap, guys. Very amazing strap. So let's see the camera itself. Ayan. Okay. Check ko na mamaya to. Okay. Babaan natin. So this is the camera, guys. So you can flip. Yeah. It's flip. It's flip screen. But not articulated. It's flip. It's fully flip. And yeah. The design it's all similar with the X106, I believe. You have your manual, continuous, and single shot. Battery compartment. And the memory card, same area. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, the camera is all same like X106. But the specs, I believe, is new on this camera. And the film simulation. I hear the film simulation. There's a new film simulation and the Fujifilm X106. So, but the logo, guys, here, the old logo in bold Fuji with the mount, totally different logo. So I think they make a different logo or design. I don't know. Just comment down below who have a idea what is this logo means. But I see like a mountain, Mount Fuji. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. If you want to check the price and availability of this Fujifilm X100 VI, you can visit our website www.aabworld.com. Or if you want to check all the Fuji lineup that we have available here in the AAB World, from mirrorless, mostly mirrorless, from cap sensor to Fuji medium format and lenses, you can visit our website again, www.abworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you and mabuhay.